as a life insurance agent or agency owner, if I'm looking to get into the annuity space, like what do I need to know? Like, what are some of the things if I'm transitioning from being like an IUL agent? I'm like, yo, I want to write stickier business. I'm hearing a lot about IUL, about annuities. I'm sorry. What do I need to know transitioning into that space?
So you need to learn a lot, right? Because as everyone knows, the annuity products that you can sell also comes with your life insurance license, right? But it's not a life insurance product per se, right? It's a retirement planning type of product, and there just is a lot more that goes into it, right? Than just selling a premium, right? You have to be able to really put a lot of casework together for clients. You have to understand taxes, the types of different money, right? You have to understand where people are at in their journey, whether they're still in their accumulation years or they're still in or they're going into their decumulation years, right? Where they're trying to de-risk their portfolio. And that's going to be different for everybody. Typically, the best clients for annuities are over 50, that are just heading into retirement or getting ready to retire. And they're looking to take a portion of their money off the table, right? And put that in something that's guaranteed, And I can elaborate more. There's a lot of products on the market. I'm very particular about the companies, the products, the annuity solutions that I utilize, and I do put together custom analysis for clients before I even recommend an annuity, where I feel like most agents just get taught how to sell, one or two products and pitch an illustration, right? That'll maybe get you a sale here or there. But if you want to become an elite expert, at annuity planning, right, it's best to do a much thorough deep dive into understanding everything that goes into annuities, from products to different types of riders to carriers, to income annuities to accumulation annuities. And then that way you can give more than one option, and it puts your client in a position where, they're not going to shop around as much. Once they feel like you're really the one that specializes in this, right? They're going to be hanging their hat with you. And if they're going to do an annuity, right, we put you in a position where, they're going to do it with you as opposed to somebody else.
Yeah, and I appreciate you for touching base on that. So there's a few things that I want to cover that I think are important for agents to know when it comes to not only working with us at Agent Lead Lab, but also what we've now partnered up with your end on coming together to facilitate growth for agents. So quick little backstory. William and I have been working together for any of you that see my content, seen our videos for literally, he's my second client ever, literally second official client on the record. Um, and we started out doing final expense. We did annuity. I mean, I'm sorry, final expense. We did IUL. We ran that for a year-ish and a half. Coming to the year and a half mark, he came to me. He was like, "Look, bro, I want to get into annuities." And transparently, at the time, I wasn't very sophisticated on how to do that type of marketing. Right. Lo and behold, a few things happened, and about a year later, we ended up, coming back together to create a program. Well, we started enrolling agents into having their own personalized branding because that's what we were doing with William to actually get the results. Come to find out, right, personal branding for advanced marketing is actually going to be the best way to get high intent clients because most other companies they just run basic lead forms on Facebook or Google and then they just try to get people or even if they do run a landing page, people that have money and I'm gonna let you talk about that real quick, Scotty, is that people that have money don't just want to fill out forms.